Hey you guys, we're doing a review today on these battery selector disconnector switch for single battery. And this is how this one looks. And that's the part number. And this is for like when you're gonna run some high voltage stuff on your car, like a radiator fan or something. And right here it says for 48 volts DC, help stop battery drain. So you can disconnect your battery with this too. Discourage theft and easy to install. And this is how this one looks. And the back looks like this. It tells you what you need to do. And yeah, we got these from AutoZone, and I bought two of these. The other one is back there, and that $12 one, that's this one right here. So we're looking at this one first. We're gonna open it up, and yeah, that's 48 volts because the car battery is only 12 volts, so 48 volts would be a lot more. I bought these because the switch that I was running my fan in the car kept burning out. I think it was like a 35 amp, somewhere in there. And this one, how this looks. And you see off right there, and it's a big switch, it's an arrow. And you turn it this way, and it says on, and that's the on position. And this can carry a lot more voltage than the switches I used to be buying, because they would burn out. So I had some high power rated. And oh yeah, we took this back off. When you flip it over, this back is gonna be on like that. And you take that off, and you have two terminals. And see, you unscrew these bolts. This is how you make the connection. You cut the wire, then you run one on this side, and unscrew this bolt and run one on this side. So you're gonna untighten these bolts a little bit and connect one right here, connect one right there in the middle of your circuit, and this will be your on and off switch. Looks pretty nice. I'm gonna test this out and see how long. Hopefully all the other ones been overheating, so that's what we're working with, guys. And looks pretty nice. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys something. Okay, this is on and off switch. So the way I did it, I opened the back up and I ran my hose back into the area where I was going to be connecting it. But you can, I think you can take these things out. I guess you got to take some pliers or something. I might not be sure about this, but if you want to put this back on and run your wires out. So yeah, that's how the inside looks. Now let's put this one back in the package, you guys. And we're gonna slide it back in there like that. Well, no, go sideways like this. We're gonna slide that back in there. And close. Okay, yeah, this was the receipt. I went to AutoZone, and that's how much it costs. Those ones are 21 and the other ones are 12. Then this is the other one we have, guys. It says safety switch, battery connector, interrupt, and that's in Spanish. And it says help stop battery drain, discourage theft, easy to install, lifting level, stop the current. Okay, so we're gonna open this one up, guys, and this is really nice material. Can you guys see that? Oh yeah, and this right here, if you go into AutoZone, they'll be by the battery terminals. So if you look in the area where the where the battery terminals are for your car, that's what section this will be in, and the part number right there. And that's how the packaging looks. That right there. Yeah. This is what this one looks like. It's kind of a little stiff to push this down, but look how big that current can run through there. I don't think this one can overheat. It probably can, but made very nicely. And this plastic part right here, that's what's holding these two things on. And it's a nice switch. This one, by the time you get right here, that'll make the connection if you want to disconnect. And yeah, I would have, I guess, posted it on the car like this, and have my switch right there. But I didn't use this one yet, and instead of using, I'm gonna keep this one for right now as a backup plan to run a radiator fan, and we can set that off to the side. But this one right here is what I'm using now, and I got this one connected. Sorry about that, you guys. It's like when you turn this one, it's a little, it's a nice flip. It take a little bit of pressing. It's a nice flip. And the other ones that I had, it was like a flip up switch. When they burn out, it'll just get loose, and then you look in the inside, and it'll be, all the plastic will be like melted, like black melted plastic on the smaller switches that I was getting. So I think this one is gonna work, you guys. And that's how the bottom looks until you take off this thing. And look at that. And then what I did, I loosened this bolt with a wrench, and I loosened that with a wrench. Stuck one of the electric side on this one, electric wire on this one, and then made the connection with the other side of the wire with this one. And so it feels heavy duty too. Oh yeah, so this is on, and flip back that way is off. And this is a pretty heavy duty switch. I like it. Hey you guys, and to post this thing, you see these screws right here, is one right here, one right there, one right there, one right there. You take a screw probably like that long, and you screw it in here, these 4 holes, and that what will keep it from falling off. So these are your post screws right here. I think maybe like a 2 or 3 inch screw. It comes out to right there. And yeah, that's what we're running now, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.